another video. Loki got it in the way. This is a thing I like to eat.
What's that? Nice.
This is little bunny whatever.
Little bunny cookies?
Yeah.
So this is a vegan kids pantry tour, and Chayton's going to show you everything that he likes to eat that's vegan.
So that's these.
Vanilla cookies?
Yep.
They're like little animal cookies. What about those Cheeto-y kind of things that we got today at the store? Next to your Snap Pea Crisps.
This?
Yeah.
Not so much.
Can I see them anyway? They're from Earth Balance. They make vegan butter.
I know that the fake cheese makes it taste a little bit bad, but it's not that bad as you think it is.
It doesn't taste like cheese as we know it, huh?
Yeah.
But it's good. It
Yeah,
has kind of like an oniony
It's
flavor.
actually also good for your body.
Is it?
Yeah.
I wouldn't go that far.
Right? Because it's fake cheese.
Just because it's fake cheese doesn't mean it's good for your body. It's still junk food.
Till it's fake.
Okay. How about your Snap Pea Crisps? Those are a really good snack.
I like these.
Oh, let's see those.
I have this one, this one.
These are fruit leather.
Oh boy, this one.
Strawberry, strawberry, strawberry.
This one.
Orchard cherry.
And this one.
Yep, they're just smashed up fruit that's been dried.
Yeah. They're pretty tasty though.
They are really tasty.
I love them.
Yeah. This is what we had for dinner today. Well, Ethan and I anyway.
And I had nachos.
If you go to Taco Bell and you request a bean burrito without cheese, it is vegan.
Or you could just get a bean burrito with beans.
Mm-hmm. There's
Without
Chayton's
cheese.
applesauces.
Yes.
And here's some more applesauce. Still stick.
My favorite one
Mm-hmm.
is the Dora ones because Dora 100% apple and I like apples.
Yes.
And I like the taste of it.
These lollipops are from Yummy Earth, and you really like those.
Yeah, I like this.
We used to call these pumpkin pie cereal bars. They're not really your favorite anymore, huh?
No, I just never tried them anymore.
Oh, okay. Snap Pea Crisps are a favorite. They're peas and rice and a little bit of salt and oil.
I'm toasted, that's why I'm coughing like this.
Mm-hmm. How about Ethan's side? Oh, these are good.
I don't like those,
I know you don't.
but I like these. You want to see what's inside both of these?
I'm having trouble opening this.
Ugh.
Oh, dried pineapple.
Some of these. I like this.
And
dried
these
pineapples.
are pizza flavored pumpkin seeds.
I like pizza.
They don't really taste like pizza, but they taste like Italian spices, which is good. Did you just eat half and put it back?
No.
Chayton.
This is
Raisins.
how much I ate.
Dehydrated green beans don't sound very good, huh?
Yeah, but they are.
They taste good. They're sweet.
But not that.
Arbonne makes a chocolate, kind of like a granola bar, huh? It's a protein bar.
Yeah.
And if we're running out of the house, we'll grab that and
This,
go. I don't know if these are vegan.
if you don't know if they
Picked them up because they said gluten-free.
chocolate powder for your poofies,
Yeah, they don't have any
you
dairy.
should check out my video where I make my poofie.
Yeah, you make a really good smoothie. These are the best vanilla blueberry granola bars. Let's see what's back here, Chayton. Open up the cabinet.
Just fell. Here's some cereal.
What kind of
Here's
cereal?
the two cereal we got.
Why don't you pick it out so we can see the front?
I'll just pick them out. Pick both out.
We just need one of these because it's the same.
Yeah, but I'll pick both of them out.
We haven't tried them yet.
See the back?
I see the back.
And see
Nice.
the front?
Yep.
Still the same.
Then we have Crispix and Chex cereal. There's some breading back there, which you can put on zucchini.
We have these cones
Or eggplant.
And I
Ooh, for your ice cream.
And I ate.
Chayton makes his own ice cream, huh, Chayton?
Yeah.
Oh, how about, oh, those are really good. They're thin.
And there's one more thing, Mommy.
They're called corn thins.
One day.
Yeah. All right, we'll go in there in 1 second.
Ice cream cone.
Hang on.
The
We'll do your ice cream cones in 1 second. These corn thins are really good. They're like a quarter of the size of the thickness of a regular rice cake, so they're not like a big chunk of styrofoamy
Eat
bread
the
replacement.
cone.
Eat the cone. Then we just have some oats, corn chips, and some spaghetti back there.
If you eat the cone, they will taste really good.
Might you close that up?
That's not really bad, really good.
You can show your viewers your ice cream now.
One more thing. Crackers.
Oh, crackers.
Look at this, guys.
Yeah, we like to dip them in hummus, huh? I'd like you to dip vegetables in hummus, but you won't.
I don't like vegetables.
So we hide them in smoothies. All right, let's go to the freezer.
Yeah, let's go to the freezer. And that's where we freeze stuff when it needs a freezing. These
We have to clean up
only
back there.
take a little bit of some freezing, but
So how do you make those?
you basically take a poozie and just pour it in
Okay.
and freeze them up for a little bit.
And what kind of smoothie did we make for that one?
hours.
I think that was a vanilla smoothie. That was good.
We got these
Popsicles.
popsicles, and we got these.
Some vegetables over there.
I like the cherry.
Ethan really likes these waffles. And some
I
apple
like
juice.
the cherries, but not as much.
Yeah.
Well, in here, I want this.
Not yet. Let's have it after. Close the top.
Okay.
What's down here on the bottom? What is this big bag, Chayton?
Don't know.
Don't pull it out. It's really heavy.
Yeah.
You can just open it.
Frozen bananas.
Yeah, we buy bananas in bulk. Big 40-pound packages. And when they get really ripe and spotty all at once, you have to freeze them.
Yeah.
And then we use them in smoothies. That's another thing of bananas. We have different frozen fruits.
I'm gonna hold it.
No, because you shake it. Shake it all over. And then this is like a huge pile of vegetables.
The most thing I like best is water.
You like water the best? That's
Well,
good.
Not as much.
All right, so what is in here?
And some of these.
What's that?
Chocolate milk.
Yeah.
Or chocolate poothies from Arbonne, but they taste no chocolate poothies.
It tastes like chocolate milk.
Yeah, I could have one.
When we run out of the house really quick, we stick your medicine in that, and we go, huh?
Yeah.
Those are good. They have 20 grams of protein each. Tons of vitamins and
Can I
minerals.
have it?
You can, but not yet. Let's finish the video first.
I'm gonna put it right here.
All right. Wait. You didn't show all your other stuff. What's your absolute favorite thing to eat in the refrigerator right now?
I'll go with hummus and crackers.
And what kind of hummus is it?
My favorite hummus is this.
Tomato basil.
You see, this time I got two.
Mmm.
Put them right there.
You put those on crackers, right?
Yeah.
We have cashew milk. That's new.
We got
haven't
this
tried
kind
that
of
yet.
cheese.
Nutritional yeast.
Yep. Like we showed you before
This is for one of Ethan's videos.
in our other video.
It's a Japanese soda. You pop a little marble into the top and it releases into this top chamber and it makes it fizz.
Yeah.
Oh, this is your
Also,
favorite
but I don't like the
jelly.
taste. Yeah, dandelion jelly.
Dandelion jelly.
It tastes better when you make it yourself.
I think it tastes like honey.
I think it tastes like dandelions.
Peach apricot
Mixed
jam.
with jelly.
Duck sauce. Doesn't have ducks in it, does it?
Yeah.
Cashew butter, tahini, and almond butter.
Where do you think they get the duck sauce if it doesn't come from ducks?
I think they put it on ducks or something. Orange juice. We haven't tried this before. We're going to try this one.
My most favorite thing is macaroni.
We don't have a whole lot in here right now because we're going up to visit Granny and Grandpa in a couple of days. And what?
Macaronis.
Yeah.
And cheese.
Probiotics.
No, my
Hi, Abs. Hi, pretty. So what's up here? There's our dehydrator.
Yeah.
In the summertime, when it's nice and warm. Well, there's the directions, but we'll put our fruits and vegetables on here. Those are basil
You can
seeds.
basically pack it in your trunk because...
What are we packing in our trunk?
How'd you
Oh,
pack it in your trunk?
I don't know how you do that.
It comes right in.
Try to push the sides in. One. Do the other one. Two. Now try to flatten these sides towards the center. This one. There you go.
And that's how you can pack it in your trunk.
That's really cool. While you set that back up, I'll show everybody what fruits you eat. Chayton's an apple eater.
Because I love apples.
Loves apples, but we're going to try to get him to eat some mangoes and kiwis this week too.
No!
There's bananas. Can't have too many bananas. Oh, normally we get organic, but we didn't have organic at the store this week. We'll chop this into 1-inch cubes and throw 1 or 2 in each of his smoothies.
There's the macaronis.
Yep, those elbow macaroni are made from corn. Huh. We make macaroni and cheese with that with your nutritional yeast.
Yeah.
What are you doing, man?
What?
Those are our grocery bags.
Yeah.
So we have dried fruit in here.
We just got these.
Chayton loves pistachios. This is pistachios mixed with other nuts.
And also,
Mango,
we just
blueberry,
got these
apple.
At the tool.
Dates,
We
pineapple.
just got these at the tool.
Yeah, we did.
And we got 2 of them.
And these are just those same fruits in bags to grab and
That's
go.
1, 2.
Lots of sunflower
That's
seeds.
1.
Oh, these were so good. Remember these, Chayton?
What?
I think we put flaxseed, nutritional yeast, chili powder, garlic, and then we dehydrated them, and they turned into crackers.
We got some apples over here.
Monster coconut
We got some
oil.
apples over here.
Yeah, we do have apples over there. These are hemp seeds, chia seeds, and flax seeds. We grind these up with seasonings and make like a breading.
Abby doesn't bite.
Corn for popping, mashed
Abby
potatoes,
doesn't bite. Cetus gets
rice.
excited.
These are fit chews. That's another thing from Arbonne. Beans, cocoa powder, coconut,
So funny to kill.
vegan chocolate chips for chocolate chip
You
pancakes.
want to see how I kill Brody? Guess how I kill Brody.
Hang on, Chi. How do you scare Brody? Was that nice?
When he looks away, I just do this.
Wait, I can't see you.
When he
Wait a
looks
minute, I can't
away-
see you. Hang on.
When he looks away, I just do this.
And it scares him. Is that nice to do to a dog? Say sorry.
No.
Want to give him a cookie?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's get him a cookie.
Where are they? Wait.
Trader Joe's cookies from his mama.
Mommy.
What?
Let's see if he can jump.
I don't know if he can jump. Break it in half, bud.
Oh.
Because he's been getting into a lot of stuff outside.
Mommy.
Wait.
Hey, Pop.
Oh, Chayton, get down off that chair. Yay! I don't know why this won't focus now.
I don't have it. I don't have it. I gave it to Brody.
Is that good?
I gave it to Brody.
Is that good? Oh, somebody's jealous. You better get him one. Go away, Tank. You didn't make him do any tricks. What about Tank?
Oh, he jumped. See?
Yeah, I see.
I made him do a trick.
Yep.
I didn't even have to tell him to.
Tank always steals the cookie and goes underneath the table or in his cage.
Yeah.
He's like, it's my cookie.
And if he sees the
Don't
bone,
take my cookie.
and if he sees the bone, he'll bring it in its cage. So nobody can.
Tank's the vacuum cleaner.
Tinkles! I gave Abby the bone.
Okay. Did Brody eat it all?
Yes.
I can't see past your big butt. Aww.
This yeah, I know.
Brody.
Yeah, I know. Here, I'll give.
Y'all done? Y'all done?
Abby one more because
No, don't give him any more.
we're not.
Especially R2, because they'll poop.
Oh, Brody?
I don't know if Brody will, but he's been getting into stuff outside, so we better not take the chance.
I'm giving him two.
Yeah. Tank, we don't want to see your butt. Where's the Ibby?
Abby!
Oh, hello.
How much longer till we go to the movie?
We're not going tonight.
Why?
Because it's not
Here's
until
Abby.
9:15.
So?
Abby! Abby!
Oh!
There's Abby.
We can go at 9:15. That makes it funner.
No, we can't.
Yes, it does. Why can't we?
Hey. Come have Brody do his trick.
Brody. Brody, come.
Chayton, let Ethan do it.
Come on, Brody.
I want to do it.
No, Chayton.
Sit.
Brody.
Come on.
Chayton.
Here we go. It's a boomer too. So, it sounded like...
too.
Yeah. I can't help it.
You're crazy.
I can't help it.
Zabuma too.
Come on, Brody. Brody, come. Good boy, come here. Come here. Sit. Sit. Brody. Boom. Boom.
He does fist pound.
Boom.
Tell him good.
Good boy. Abby. Abby.
Should I give him a treat for doing that?
Can you get her to come over?
Mommy?
Abby, come.
The dog has issues.
I'm going to give
Abby,
him
come.
a treat.
Come on.
Come here.
Go see Ethan.
I'm giving
Abby,
Brody
come.
a treat.
Abby!
Abby.
The effort.
My God.
Chayton, stop feeding him now.
That's crazy. What is this? These dogs are bringing in pine needles. I can't break it.
No!
It won't
Your dog
focus.
stole it. It won't focus. Give me the cookie. I'll give him to Abby. Abby, look.
Now you gotta wait until she's done eating.
Chayton gave her a whole one.
This because it's nice.
Ah,
You should put why? I got my own.
because you are a cookie
I
stealer.
have a cookie. Abby, look. Look. You ready?
Now make her sit.
Sit.
No, it's sit down and then roll over.
Girl. The girl.
What is Tank now? Here, do one with Tank.
Only
Can you? You gotta back up though, because I can't see anything.
I got it, Abby. Come here. Come here. Sit. Oh, you wanted to do a paw because you're done. It's the only time. It's just the only time. Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Ethan's being ganged up on.
Let me hold it.
No.
I won't
No.
sing it this time, I promise.
All right, you can help me. Stop.
Can you get it? Can you get it? Who can get it first? It's a low rider. It hops. Come on.
You better give it to somebody before you get eaten. All right, I'm not filming.